Hey everyone, welcome back to the Experiments and Projects. Today we are starting something really fun. We are building the Bruce Smoochie Device. Huge shout out to the NextPCB for sponsoring this video and providing these awesome PCBs. Let's open them up. You can see this, here is our PCBs. Let's open the PCBs. The packing is really solid and I ordered 6 boards in total. Yep. You can see the PCBs. And here is our total 6 boards. Just check the 6 boards. The quality is genuinely impressive and clean finish, sharp details, and everything looks super professional. You can see the PCBs. If you are planning any project, I definitely recommend check out NextPCB for your PCB fabrication. And for our project, this is the PCBs. You can see the detailing of the PCB. See the quality, the thickness, and the clean fabrication, everything really super impressive. And this is the labeling. And here is our PCBs. And next, move on to the 3D printed cases also. Yeah, I have 3D printed some cases for the Bruce Smoochie Device. So here is our parts for the 3D printed case. Look at the parts, cool, right? And these are the parts for the PCB case. So this is how we have to assemble. So we'll see this later once the PCB is fully assembled. Until then, we'll keep this parts aside. Yeah, and this is for the screen. So we'll see the full video in the next part of the video, and this is the part 1 of the video. So with that, these are the components. Yeah, I'll show you. And this is the SME connector and some connectors and some SMD components, everything I have collected for the build. So if you want to order the PCBs for your project, the process with the PCB is really simple. Here is the wide variety of PCBs: flex PCB, aluminum PCB, rigid PCB, etc. So go to the PCB assembly and PCB assembly quotation. Here you have to upload your Gerber file and select the parameters also. So choose your material, color, quantity, and all those parameters, and you are done. The event offer coupon codes, so make sure grab those coupons for your discount. So before that, check out all these parameters. So once you're done with the parameters, enter your coupon code, order the PCBs from the NextPCB. And here is our PCBs. So this is a general layout of assembly. So for this video, I'm not fully building this device. I'll build some parts. I will show you the outer part, how to assemble this PCB and everything. So this is how you have to assemble the Bruce Smoochie Device. So this is how it looks after the full assembly. And in the next part, you can see the full build and final assembly of the Smoochie Device. For this video, I'm just explaining the outer part of the Smoochie Device, how it gonna looks and how it gonna see and how it gonna assemble the PCB. This is how we have to see in this video. So this is how we have to place the SMA connectors and antennas and everything. And here is our some components for this PCB assembly. So most of the components are missing, so I have ordered from the other country. Most of the PCB parts are not available and they are on the way. So once they reach to me, I'll definitely put a full video, final video also, so you can see the full assembly and working of this Bruce Smoochie Device. So until then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing projects. So this is for this video. Thank you guys.